Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. All times are Eastern time. All right everyone, it's a busy week. We've got our challenge. Our first report that we're going to be watching is Sunday evening at 9 p.m. the Chinese retail sales, industrial production and unemployment report. No trade room. At 3:15 in the morning on Monday, the French flash manufacturing and German flash manufacturing reports, which do have DMMs, but they won't be trade room events, as will the British 4:30 flash manufacturing. That also is not a trade room event, but the British report does not have a DMM. Now, 8 o'clock on Monday will be our first trade room for Empire State Manufacturing. We'll be back in the trade room at 9:15 for Flash Manufacturing Services, and then 11:30 a.m. for the NOPA Crush report of Family Money Trade. Tuesday at 2 in the morning, the British Jobs Report, their claimant count change. No trade room, as there's also no trade room for the German Zoo, which is a report that we watch. Our first trade room on Tuesday, also our YouTube stream of the week, and a family money trade will be the core retail sales report at 8 o'clock on Tuesday. We'll also have Canada's core CPI at the same time. 9:15 on Tuesday, industrial production capacity utilization. We'll just be watching that report, no trade room. And no trade room on the 20-year bond auction at 1:01 p.m. on Tuesday, as we'll be going right in our educational room with our challenge. 4 p.m. we'll be back in the trade room for the API crude oil report of Family Money Trade. Wednesday at 2 a.m. we'll just be watching British core CPI, and at 5 a.m. we'll be watching the European core CPI. Now, a lot of times reports have a watch, and it's usually because those events are not moving the market in dramatic ways to give us big profits. That's why we often don't have trade rooms for those events or DMMs. So there always will be reports that we watch. If they change and become more eventful, then we will add DMMs and we will add trade rooms for them. Wednesday at 8 a.m. we have building permits and housing starts, 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, and 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC statement, which is also our YouTube stream. That really would be our YouTube stream of the week over the core retail sales. But two very important reports. I think you got to admit the FOMC is the more important event. Micron earnings will be just watching at 4:05 on Wednesday, and the New Zealand GDP is another report that we watch 4:45 p.m. on Wednesday. Thursday, 6:45 will be in the room for the Bank of England official bank rate. 8 o'clock on Thursday, back in the room for final GDP, unemployment, and Philly Fed. 9:45 a.m. Thursday, two events, existing home sales and natural gas storage. Friday is fairly busy. We've got 8 a.m. for the PCE price index. We'll just be watching Canada's retail sales, and 9 a.m. for the revised University of Michigan. That'll round out the week in the trade room. Now keep an eye open for your schedule for the challenge. We'll get that schedule to you, and we're really looking forward to teaching everybody all the ins and outs of appointment-based trading. So I'll see you soon in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein, looking forward to the challenge. Take care, everyone.